Hello, I'm Jyoti Sharma and today we are going to talk about 6 homemade organic DIY fertilizers for your garden. You don't need to spend a lot of money on fertilizers. With these DIY version produced from ingredients found in your pantry and backyard, your garden will thrive. Organic gardening is as popular as ever and the methods we use have a significant impact on our health as well as the health of the earth. You can use a variety of all natural fertilizers in your garden or with your potting soil. Some of these fertilizers can be created or collected at home with typical pantry or backyard items. Here are 6 of our favorite homemade fertilizers that you can make yourself at home. The first homemade fertilizers is weeds. Many of the weeds you all will discover in your garden, like grass clipping, as high in nitrogen and will make a fantastic fertilizer. What is the solution? Fill a 5-gallon bucket with weeds you have removed, but not more than 1/4 full. Then fill the bucket with water to the top and soak the weeds for a week or 2 weeks. Pour this solution over garden once the water has turned a brown color like tea. The second one is kitchen scraps. Kitchen scraps are absolute gold for your garden. Composting is a great way to put your kitchen and yard trash to good use. Compost takes a long time to release nutrients, so well composted garden can last a year or 2 without needing fertilizers. Compost also aids in the retention of moisture in the soil, which is necessary for vegetable gardens to thrive throughout the hot, dry summer months. Some of these fertilizers can be created or collected at home with typical pantry or backyard items. Leaves of a tree. Collect fall leaves for your gardens rather than bagging them and throwing them out on the curb. Leaves are high in trace minerals, attract earthworms, retain moisture and aid in the lightening of heavy soils. You can either plug leaves into your soil or mix crushed leaves into potting soil or use them as mulch to nurture your plants while also keeping weeds at bay. Ground coffee. Coffee has several advantages, but one of the most important is that it may be used as a fertilizer. Many plants flourish in acidic soil including blueberries, roses and tomatoes. Recycle your coffee greens to help your soil become more acidic. You can either top dress by dusting the used greens over the soil surface, or you can create coffee to pour over your gardens. To make coffee garden, soak up of 6 cups of leftover coffee grounds for up to a week, then use it to a water acid loving plants. Eggshells. Eggs are a rich source of calcium and potassium for our bodies, and we humans enjoy eating them for breakfast. The calcium in these eggshells aids in the formation of a robust cell structure in plants. Remove the contents of the eggs, clean the eggshells and crush them with the mortar and pestle to use them. Spread the crushed cells over the top layer of the soil in the uniform layer. The cells would be absorbed by the earth on their own. Peeled bananas. We have a habit of tossing bananas peels away, oblivious to the fact that our tiny garden requires them with the most. The bananas peels are high in phosphorus and potassium, which can help your plants grow stronger, produce more fruit and resist diseases. To save the peel for your garden and next time to eat a banana. For more Agri updates, keep watching Krishi Jagran. Thank you.